Are you worried about your health? Are you worried about the weakness of bones and losing of muscles? Are you ever realized that you are mentally not fit? Are you ever realized that you becoming a lazy day by day because you are not active? So the question is why? The answer is you didn't take a proper nutrition, you didn't take a proper proteins, you didn't take a proper carbohydrates, you didn't take a proper vitamins and minerals, or in short, we can say that you didn't take a proper diet or not a healthier diet. Otherwise, the reason may be that you have a busy schedule, so you didn't check regularly that what you are eating, what you are drinking, and what you take inside your body, what type of nutrition you gain, what type of vitamins you take, what type of minerals you get in your body. So don't worry, I will tell you in a detail that how you can improve your man ki shakti and tan ki shakti. How you can become a taller, stronger and sharper. How you can win a race. So any guesses what topic I am going to introduce in a few seconds? Yes. Your guess is right. I am talking about the worldwide famous product which changed the ability or mindset of the great peoples. The product having a great protein efficiency. So the name of the product is Cadbury Bournvita. Cadbury Bournvita is coming in many different flavors like 5-star Magic Bournvita, Pink Bournvita especially made for the women, and Chocolate Bournvita which is worldwide famous, that is this. Now might be you think a question that why Cadbury Bournvita only, why not other brand? So I will enlighten you about the company that is Cadbury. Cadbury is a British multinational confectionery company. Confectionery means the art of making food item which is enriched of sugar and carbohydrates. It operates more than 50 countries worldwide. It makes many different varieties of products which is made up of milk and cakes, etc. In 1948, Cadbury is introduced in India. Now we are going to talk about the FAB approach. That is, what are the features of the Bournvita, what are the advantages of the Bournvita, and what are the benefits delivered to us from Bournvita. As they already highlighted in the box of Bournvita that they help to strong your bones, they help to strong your muscles, they help to strong your brain, active brain. So now we talk about the features of the Bournvita, like it enriched with protein, it enriched with carbohydrates, it enriched with varieties of vitamins and minerals, even calcium, also provided iron, vitamins B, vitamin 2, vitamin 1, vitamin A, vitamin C, and many more. So the benefit of the Bournvita is that they provide a source of energy, they help to regulate the immune system, they help to develop the red blood cells, they help to protect our body from damages, they release aid metabolic which help to release energy from the food. So these are the benefits of Bournvita. Now we talk about the advantages of Bournvita. In today's era, the life of the people are so busy, or we can say that hustle bustle of life. People didn't take a right nutrition in their diet. Amongst the children and teenagers, generally they are in the growing stage, they need proper nutrition and vitamins in their diet, but they will not take a proper nutrition in their diet. They go for a fast food items which adversely impact their health very badly. So Cadbury introduced this Bournvita in India to protect children and teenagers to gain a proper nutrition and vitamins from food. Let's take another example. Generally, we see that children which are in the age of 5 to 8 years old will refuse to drink milk. So, their mother put 1 teaspoon of Bournvita into the milk and give it to his son. His son will definitely ask to give me a more milk because it changed the taste of the milk, and the change of the taste will definitely give you more benefit because milk is enriched of many nutrients also. You know, doctor recommend pink Bournvita which is available in the market for women. This come in the pink box which help the woman to become more stronger and win the race. This is like a cherry in the cake. We know that in India about 100% of the work is done by the women, homework. So they need a proper diet and nutrition. So doctor recommends pink Bournvita to the women to gain a muscle and iron, which help them to improve their health. Bournvita do a lot of marketing campaign in order to build a relationship with the customer. They come up with the various marketing campaign like तैयारी जीत की, आदतें, तैयारी हर एग्जाम की, and many more advertisement. Instead of advertisement, they use testimonial in their website in 2016 to influence the customer and build a relationship. In order to get a feedback, they ask for the customer to give their testimonial and they put in their website, which definitely increase the relationship with the customer and improve the loyalty of the customer. If we talk about the another benefit of Bournvita, 100 grams of Bournvita provide 300 calories, which is again good for human health. So there is one question generally asked by the people that can we drink Bournvita during fast? When I analyze all the prospectus, I found that we should not have to drink Bournvita during fast. Thank you for watching my video.